Palazzo versus Dubai Hotel, where it is based on hotel industry and they provide a and multiple also platform like restaurant and for the occasion of wedding, meeting, events and multiple things. Very click here and this is website and here you can book directly from the source. Here member login to get the count of it. Easily you can make count if you get the information about it and also other so you can book directly from this source about hotels you can see here and all the things you can get information about the services at this platform. Tea celebration package, so you can enjoy it from this platform, so different way. This is a multiple platform, you can see the details about it and also gather information about this services. And here is the some benefit, so you can take from here 24 into customer services and cheap and best affordable rooms. Benefits from this platform when you book a hotel from this platform.